how to transfer ownership of Discord server in mobile. Hi everybody, if you're wondering how you can do that, you can follow up these steps. So for that, first of all, open up Discord, head over to Discord on your application, and once you open it up, basically log in into your account. So once you are logged in, you just need to go ahead and locate up your server. So let me just go ahead and locate up a server from your home interface. You can just go ahead and do that and then locate up your server. It is usually located in the left side of your screen. You can locate up the server that you created. For example, the server right here. So all you gotta do is once you're here, tap on your server's name and a menu appears. From the menu, head over to your server settings, tap on settings and open up your settings. Now from your server settings, you need to scroll down and look for the option of user management, where we will be finding option of members. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here it will show you the members and the bots. So you just need to go ahead and locate up the member that you would like to transfer the ownership to. Just go ahead and tap on their profile like this, and you will be finding different options, including the option of transfer ownership at the very last. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can agree this term right here, which is you acknowledge that you're transferring the ownership to the server and it only belongs to them. So you can just go ahead and confirm this and tap on transfer. After that, complete it, confirm it, and once that is done, the ownership will be transferred to that particular person. So this is it. You may follow up that method in order to transfer. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.